What's up, guys? Since our third member of the group, Morten, is in America right now, we decided to make this song to show him how much we miss him. So, yes. Hi, Morten. We miss you.
We miss you, Morten.
Okay. Here it goes. 3, 4.
I got my mother for the long way round to follow whiskey for the mud, and we sure would like some sweet Trinity, but I'm leaving on Friday. What do you say? When he's gone, we're gonna miss my when he's gone. We're gonna miss my body, sir. We're gonna miss my body, sir. Oh, we're gonna miss my when he's gone. Must got a ticket from the Lake City, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers. I'm sure would be prettier with us when he's gone, when he's gone. We're gonna miss my when he's gone. We're gonna miss my body's giggle. We're gonna miss my little by little. Oh, we're gonna miss my when he's gone. Yeah.
So done. So that was for you, Morten.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see you.
We really miss you, Morten. We're gonna miss Mel when he's gone.
More or less.
Yeah.
Same.
A little oh, we're gonna miss Mel when he's gone.
Yeah. Shut up.
Oh,
det var fandme god. Okay. Okay, her. Det er en film.
Filmer den nu?
Okay, vi klipper.
Okay, fint.
3, 4. Okay, vi klipper.
And we sure would like some sweet Trinity, but I'm leaving right. I got my mother for the long way round to follow money all the way.
Vi kan prøve, okay, kan vi ikke gøre sådan en nu, hvor vi bare sådan lige må være, så tager vi bare igennem det.
Jo.
Så har vi også sådan kommet igennem det.
Ja, lad os gøre det. Det er sådan meget. Ja. Det er ligesom til musik.
Ja, præcis. Okay. 3, 4. Okay, det var stadig sådan, det er mere fordi sådan, at hvis man sådan filmer sådan mere end man kan, så stopper det sådan midt i-agtigt. Laver Pero of the fish.
Jeg kan ikke finde ud af at gøre det.
Jeg har ikke noget at gøre det. I really miss you, Morten.
We do though.